Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, Senior Economist, and here's what happened while we were away. We do have Bitcoin surging today. The spike comes ahead of a meeting with President Trump, who is slated to hold with executives from firms including Coinbase, Payward, and Blockchain Group Holdings. Crypto and prediction markets are the two growing sectors that the Trump administration has sought to boost with an industry-friendly regulatory framework, but despite having an advocate in the White House, crypto industry leaders are worried about cementing those regulatory gains and are pushing for the passage of the landmark digital assets bill, which is called the Clarity Act, which is still not passed. Also, lower interest rates make higher risk assets such as crypto more attractive. And we know this morning, Besant made a fresh attempt to rein in the long-term borrowing costs, sending yields down and the dollar down, helping Bitcoin as well as gold and silver and other commodities. All right, we have Marble popping 6% on a deal that would allow Google to buy up to 12.2 billion shares of the chip-making company. The deal is part of Google and Marble's partnership on custom chips. It would allow the tech giant to purchase almost 59 million shares at 206 a piece, but the stake is tied to purchasing targets of their chips through 2033 fiscal year. So just scratch my back, you'll scratch your back, however that goes. Stripe, more in AI news, has agreed to buy Open Router, an artificial intelligence setup that helps developers access and switch between AI models. No terms were disclosed on that deal, but they did say that tokens are the central currency for companies building with AI, and it is clear that the real-world economic potential will depend on making good use of those scarce compute resources. Stripe is building the economic infrastructure for AI, and together with Open Router, will help businesses maximize profitability by routing their requests intelligently and spending their tokens efficiently. So they're going to basically route you from different AIs, whatever token is the cheapest and whatever model, that's how they'll automatically route your requests as a company. Hedge funds are about to dip into prediction markets, because why not? Cantor Fitzgerald will be one of the first investment firms providing its clients institutional trading on prediction market platform Kalshi. Prediction markets are growing rapidly, but institutional participation has not kept pace because investors have lacked the ability to transact at scale on the regulated exchange. Liquidity is there, the CEO said, and so I guess institutional companies will now, or institutions will now be able to participate, making bets on Kalshi prediction markets. And we do know yesterday that I had announced that they are getting into perps as well for equities. We have Amazon is said today that they plan to offer drone deliveries in 500 U.S. cities and towns by the end of the year. A signed MOU for the project that's kind of been slow. Jeff Bezos kind of laid out his vision for this almost 13 years ago, but it looks like this planned expansion for Prime Air, as it's called, would represent a six-fold increase from its current footprint. So drone delivery, Amazon Prime drone delivery. There you go. And in ag markets, we have wheat prices surging as escalating attacks by Russian and Ukraine on each other's Black Sea ports and commercial vessels threaten to choke off seaborne grain exports from two of the world's biggest suppliers. Literally, they are the world's biggest suppliers. Benchmark wheat futures have risen to 3-year highs as traders react to mounting disruption to export operations. And Andrei Sizov, who we had as a guest on the show, said that it's worse for the wheat market than Hormuz was for crude. So unfortunately, perhaps we see rising food prices more so than they already are, unfortunately. And with that uplifting news, I will pass it to Jim for an Edge report.
Thanks, Shai. Yeah, by the way, September wheat futures are up 2% on the session, and they've been kind of rising over the last few days. If we have time, we'll take a peek at that chart. But let's focus on gold right now. Gold is on the move. We are up over 3% right now. We have a giant benchmark candle forming, and we broke out of some key resistance here that we saw around 44.90. We had over a week's worth of resistance there. Sellers kept pushing us back down into this tight range between that and about 4,400, maybe a little bit lower, 43.50 on the downside. And then we just kind of took off. We broke out. It was a breakout to the upside, everybody. We took out previous week's highs at 45.09 spot one. Previous year's highs at 45.84 is right by that 150 simple moving average as a target, but really the next swing high, and this swing high was from the 29th of May, a long time ago, and that's at 46.27 spot one, and then above that you get to the calendar year mid at 47.91 spot one. Now I drew a retracement here. I did it on the left, so I didn't want to clutter up the right side, but from the swing high that we saw all the way back here, this is an outside fib, April 17th, all the way down to the lows. We've kind of retraced pretty significantly past the 50%, and we're just about at the 61.3%, 8%, I'm sorry, right now. That's 45.52 spot one. That's kind of a key level here. When you start having candles close above that 61% retracement, then a lot of folks start talking about, all right, the state of the market has changed. We are definitely in a bearish market. Now we'll see how it goes. I think we're in a bullish market. I think we're in a bullish market right now with this candle breakout to the upside here. We'll keep an eye on that. Moving averages are all seriously moving up here. Let's go just intraday and take a peek. This was kind of the news hit. The Besset news hit. Huge rally. Buyers got involved. And even during the U.S. Initial balance, we had a lot of buyers continue to come in. No retracement really whatsoever. Right now we're just kind of sitting at two kind of interesting areas. One of them is the point of control. This is not the greatest point of control of all time, 45.43 spot 7, because you have these other kind of high volume areas. This particular one is still a competing point of control. We only traded through that for an hour and a half today so far, 45.17. So from a retracement point of view, my eye is kind of on that. But right now, this is looking sticky strong here, man. We might not have any retracement whatsoever. There's not even a lot of targets on the upside anymore. We have that blind spot 2 from MenthorQ. That's at 45.65 spot 6. And then look at the deviation band starting to flatten out here. And then R3, which is a rare event, at 46.41 spot 6. Now on the downside too, you've got the call resistance level at 45.10. That's kind of in the middle, toward the bottom of the initial balance right now. That would be, probably close between probably about a 23% retracement from the lows, maybe a little bit more. I don't have the fib line drawn right there. So wonky volume profile, a lot of volume up here. Kind of sticky so far. We might totally be sideways. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Tracy mentioned the big meeting at the White House, and then there's a follow-up meeting at the CFTC innovation panel tomorrow, probably a follow-up to what happened today to try to get that Clarity Act moving. So Bitcoin broke out to the upside too, looking a little bit like gold. We had a long period of consolidation here. We're talking a couple of months. We broke out a previous month's high, 67.115. Now look where the peak went, all the way up to that 150-day simple moving average. Couldn't quite get there. Sellers brought us a little bit back down. Now we're tracking 68.310. So this is a pretty decent breakout to the upside also in the Bitcoin. We'll see if it lasts or not. Look at RSI, man. That thing is just shot. That's going straight up. That's going vertical. It's 64. So a little over, almost 65. Intraday, we just hit a lot of targets. We just blew through that call resistance level, which was kind of a big deal, 67,500. Look at this. There is no volume that's happened whatsoever before the announcement and then after the announcement. And then we're starting to develop a little bit of volume here. Not the greatest volume profile, lower volume marketplace in general, so the volume profile usually isn't as good. But I'm going to keep an eye on the standard deviation bands. The VWAPs are going sideways right now. They're almost without a slope going sideways as we see. And that's not really a bullish thing. That's just like a sideways thing. Like, all right, nobody knows what to do here. Support probably, short-term support's probably just south of 68,000, around 67,965 right now. You can see a couple of wicks that get down there and we kind of get buyers push us back up a little bit. VWAP would be a big, nice retracement back down here. I don't have high hopes we're going to get there, but you never know. I think call resistance might be in the way here a little bit. So we'll see what happens. If we do get a retracement, it might be a good idea. I don't know. Let's check it out. And anyway, in any event, this afternoon's Edge Report. Appreciate everybody for being here, part of NinjaTrader Live. It's time to trade the close with our all-star cast of Tanja Trades, Jack Gleason, and Salma. Good afternoon, traders. How you guys doing?
Doing good. Jim? How are you doing, Jim?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. I'm trying to get back to the gym on a regular basis, and it takes me longer to recover than it would take Jack. I'm just saying. Because I'm twice as old.
So Jim goes to the gym.
Jim goes
serious.
Yeah, lunchtime.
Jim, did you notice my gym playlist is named Jim, like your name?
I thought you did that special for me.
She named it after you.
I'm sorry, but I did not do that.
Very creative, Salma.
Yeah,
thanks.
I appreciate that. Although I switched to the Black Eyed Peas radio station.
That's more your vibe. I'm sorry, I should have never shared that.
They don't swear as much, although they do kind of get a little raunchy in some of those songs, but I'm over it. In any event, let's focus on what's happening right here, right now. Stock index futures are kind of lazy today. Let's go around the table and see what you guys are thinking. Tanja, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking, this morning I caught a couple good shorts on the NASDAQ. ES had no follow through. NASDAQ took out London low and we've retraced. But we failed to, remain above, take a new high of the day while ES did. And now we have Trump speaking with foreign leaders. I have that marked out on my calendar. So I think that that's a little bit of the volatility that's kind of coming in now. Could make for a really interesting afternoon. I think I'm gonna remain bearish here. And I'll see if I get a decent setup. But yeah, that's my outlook here. I think that we could get some volatility in the afternoon. What do you think?
Yeah, no, I like that. I mean, pretty much we've been kind of in this downward trend ever since about 11 o'clock this morning. We lost that put support and that high vol level pretty early today, relatively early, I guess late in the afternoon, around the 29,610 level. So I like it. I like the fact that my bias is down too right now. So great minds. Jack, what are you thinking?
Oh man, I think we've had a great day of action, two-sided, and I don't think the two-sided trade is over. FOMC minutes just came out, 1 bar down. I'm currently long the NASDAQ here. I just tightened up my stop below this low. I'm looking for a move back to the top of the range, 29,718, 720. I'm not sure if I expect that high to get taken out, just kind of expect to keep balance between it. But if we obviously lose this low, it's going to change my opinion. And then I'm just going to kind of focus probably on NASDAQ shorts because it's actually leading for today. It is a little weaker. I'm gonna flip on that market. But as far as what's strong here, man, gold, I know you focus on it here, trending up 80% of the day. For me, I just need to pull back. We're just high and tight up here, but if we can get down to the 45.17 area, that'll be something of interest for me. Other than that, just two-sided market is my expectation for the remainder of the day with larger ranges than what we've been seeing in the Monday, Tuesday closes have been brutal. They have been go to the gym type days, but I think today we're going to have a little more opportunity.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at the average true range of NASDAQ as an example, 566 points for a 14-period ATR. And we're at, what are we at? Daily range 381, so a tight range. So anything could happen. All right, Salma, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking going into the afternoon that I'm going to be very picky and choosy with my spots. I had a very, very fantastic morning. If you can't tell from my energy. And
how is your energy different today than any other day? You're always.
I don't know. I'm more smiley.
No difference in energy either.
Whatever. Um,
That's a compliment, by the way.
Yeah, that's a
I don't
good
know if
thing.
it is or it isn't. I'm not
It
sure,
is.
but I'll take it. I'll take it. Anyway, so if I'm gonna take a trade, for me, it's gotta be something that really like screams at me. Just because if I'm gonna take another trade, then obviously I'm putting myself out there and I'm going to be putting whatever profits I just made at risk. So I'm gonna be very, very picky and choosy. I don't necessarily love the fact that, like NQ took out 11 a.m. high, ES struggled to do that. So they're showing two different stories. I have 616 on NQ as a resistance level that, we've been struggling to get above. But then I have 33 on ES as support, which is where we are right now. And that's kind of where at 2 o'clock where we bounced off of, but we're still holding on to. So I guess I'll be watching ES to see how we react at this 33 level. If buyers step in, then I like it for a continuation higher. That would give that would give NQ also room to run back up to 616, which is 100 points higher from here. So yeah, we'll see. I'm leaning more towards longs, but I'm okay with just hanging out.
All right. Interestingly enough, the daily range in the S&P is 66 and a half, so a little bit bigger range in the S&P so far today. Usually it's the opposite, but
Great day today. I love this. Like Jack said, two-way tape. I love this kind of price action. Just gives a
Yeah.
ton of opportunity.
Awesome, man. All right. Well, I'm going to wish you guys luck. Before I leave, I do want to remind everybody, big day today, 4 p.m. after these guys are done. Don't leave. Don't get up off your chair. We do have the Discord channel live stream, and there's giveaways, deli, farm, and packs. Those three together are just spectacular. So be sure to if you get a chance, get in there. There are giveaways, like I said, and they're going to take Q&As. So and it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's just face the facts. So that's today at 4 p.m. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. we have a special Develop Your Edge session after the bell rings with Sarah Strat Sniper. There she is. Identify and trade reversals like a pro. It's going to be awesome also. So we're going to spend an hour with Sarah tomorrow. Come with Q&As because we'll take Q&As on the fly the whole session. It's going to be awesome. Looking forward to that. All right. Having said all that, folks, appreciate everybody. And I'm going to dip it in the chat. And good luck on trades, you guys.
Thank
All
you.
right. Thanks, Jim. Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. Be a good brand for dog food.
What?
Ciao for now.
I'm
LOL.
just saying. I mean, I'd buy it.
Dog food? You have a dog?
No, but if I did, I watch a lot of dogs.
You mean you watch a lot of dogs?
I'm a big dog watcher.
I used to dog sit too. You dog sit?
Big dog sitter. Gets me out of my house.
Like
Me
a
too.
bird watcher, but with dogs.
Yeah. Just sit at the park with my binoculars. That's a poodle.
Gets him out of his house. I'm dead.
I'm on Rover. No, I'm kidding. I'm not on Rover, but
I was on WAG when I was like in college trying to make some money.
trying to grind it up, trying to get that account up.
Funded.
Yo,
It's before
how'd you get your
funded.
start in trading? Where'd you get your capital? Dog walking. I was out on them streets watching poodles, putting my life on the line, watching pits in the backyard. No,
Oh, there's a
I
dog
just
that,
I
like,
work from home
dragged
just
me
like you
so
guys.
bad. No, there was a dog that one time it was a black lab, and it dragged like it was taking me in a circle. It was
Oh
just
my
running in
God.
circles around me in the park, and I was like, twirling, and I was like, this is like something out of Matilda or something. I don't know what's happening right now. It was rough.
It's tough. Josh always with the jokes. Dogs are the best way to get dates. No wonder my wife got a new dog. This guy.
Wait, what? This right here is my favorite panel, even though Tanja treats me the way they treat extras in a movie. What the hell?
Oh wow.
What have you done to focus on extreme,
I
Tanja?
don't know idea.
Yo.
Yeah, I always wanted to be an extra in a movie, so that's a positive thing to
too.
me.
They're
Actually,
always
one of my friends is filming an HGTV show like literally today and yesterday. He's like, yo, do you want to be an extra? And I was like, no, I don't have the time. I'm not going to come over and be an extra for HGTV.
They're always filming like CIA in my neighborhood. That's always happening. So they'll be closing down streets. You can't park here. You can't park there. They're definitely always seeing cruise sets
I can
everywhere.
see you in the CIA, to be honest. Wait, Salma, do you speak Arabic?
I do.
Okay, you can easily be in the CIA. This is perfect.
And
This is
with my
CIA
detective
thing.
skills and like everything else, oh man, I totally could do it. Sign me up, bro.
How do we know you're not a plant?
Uh-oh.
You know what? There was a time in my life.
Are we blowing your cover?
I'm not actually. Never mind. I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah, you can't talk about it. That's how you know
never
she
mind.
is.
Never mind.
Oh,
I can't talk about it.
Is that
There's
a wire?
500 people watching, bro.
Are you wearing a wire right now? That's your hair.
This is my hair. Yes.
But
It's almost a fad. It's almost a fad.
I'm not gonna lie, the FBI should definitely hire more women because we are definitely
detectives for sure.
If I want to find
just because you can find your ex-boyfriend's ex-girlfriend on social media does not make you a detective.
Bro, that doesn't even take 2 minutes.
Oh my God, look at this comment she left 3 years ago. I'm so good at this.
It's always so obvious when one of your like the people, someone from like your high school broke up with their boyfriend or something. You start
they start posting quotes.
Start seeing the quotes on the story, and then you just click on their page. Oh, all the photos are gone. Oh, okay, it was easy.
So
2
funny.
seconds.
That person has been wiped from existence. All right, I'm gonna look up what percent of the FBI is female.
Each other, it's crazy.
Girl.
All right.
Then, like 2 weeks later, you see them following each other again.
Toxic.
Chat, how are we doing?
Okay, Salma, you'll be happy to know that they're oh well, you might not be happy to know this, but they're 24% of the FBI special agents, but approximately 35% or 37% of new agent trainees. So they're increasing their visibility.
Oh, that's good.
In the agency.
Good. Why wouldn't I be happy about that?
FBI must be going after a lot of ex-boyfriends right now. That's all I know. They're just they gotta open doors.
Oh boy.
I'm just saying, in another life, I might have been.
In another
life.
Could have been different.
The FBI's hiring.
Oh God. I could have been a contender.
I could have been a cowboy.
Bro, this is not FOMC OP. This is FOMC minutes. Two very different things. So that is why there is very little to no reaction.
Yeah, you have Trump speaking to tech leaders at 2:30.
Yeah.
That's kind of it.
How about the Moderna calls?
Yo, that's crazy. Moderna went 100%
today.
That's
Oh my goodness. Crazy. I just need one of those.
Did you see Bitcoin, Jack? I know you watch.
I mean, I see it's up pretty aggressively today. Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody asked about it the other day, but I said I didn't like it unless it got above 68. What do we do today? Got above 68. I don't know. Was there news on that, or was that just this final breakout?
Honestly, I have no idea, but I had IBIT calls on Leaps, and I entered IBIT this morning just based off of like flow. I saw just some unusual flow. I'm like, okay, this is cheap enough for me to like take a stab at it. Bro, those cons went 100% in less than an hour. It's crazy.
It's the Bitcoin.
Oh, my apologies.
They like flipped, I think.
John Sharp, did it take any trades today? Nope, none. Don't like trading. Yeah, that has got to be the biggest move up in maybe the year. Maybe that might be the biggest percentage change move of the year in Bitcoin, which, anytime I see something like that, I'm like, time to put it back on the radar. that was took out like a 2 or 3 month high there. Highs going back to mid-June in Bitcoin. Above 68. I said it the other day.
Hey, look at that. I just got pinged. NinjaTrader Live X account posted a clip about Bitcoin. They're
Okay.
listening.
You're
They're
paying.
listening. Yeah, man. What a move, though. What a day.
Also, I mean, I wonder, okay, something must have been said this morning because like gold and Bitcoin, big moves, silver as well. I mean, Bitcoin, the outperformer here today, but gold, you know, we're up, what, 2.7% of the day, silver 2.5%, Bitcoin 5.7%. And they all started around the same time. So I don't know what that was. I mean, what were the numbers here this morning? Let's see. I don't really know. Anybody know what started that?
No clue.
Is there somebody talking? It's Wednesday, right? I'm like looking for like a calendar event this morning, but there really wasn't. But you know, at 8:30.
Oh, you're
the
talking
bid-
about the 8:30 candle? You're asking about that news?
Yeah, what was that?
Oh, that was Besant. U.S. Treasury Department announces increased sizes of nominal long end, and then there's other stuff too. Hold on, let me see.
Okay, so that's what came out
That's
at
what,
8:30.
yeah, that's what pushed gold to have the move that it had. That's what killed the dollar.
I mean, yeah, I mean, if you look at like, I mean, I do think the long setup, if you compared those charts, Bitcoin to gold side by side, Bitcoin had a better setup than gold did for like a breakout. And obviously you kind of see that here. Because and the percentage change difference. But yeah, gold continues to prove that it's getting new highs. I do think the low, I think that's a no see again low in gold. I think the $4,000 level is not going to be seen again, to be honest.
I hope so.
I don't think we're going to see it ever. I don't think we're ever going to see it again.
That's a huge statement.
No, not like that
That's kinda
crazy.
wild.
No, that's pretty wild.
Ever.
Never.
I mean, like, okay, if you look at like when gold started really breaking out in 2024, like we're at the $2,000 level, a lot of those pullbacks we've never seen again. And I don't think we're ever going to see them again. Like, I don't think we're going to see $2,000 gold again. We're not going to see, you know, $2,500 gold again. If you look at a weekly chart of gold, like every one of those bigger pullbacks, but this, since this major rally has began in gold, like this multi-year rally this really was the first like multi-month pullback we've had since this rally began, which I would argue began really at the beginning of 2024, arguably mid 2023. And this is the first monthly pullback we've had, and we've broken out of it. 4K is the low of that pullback. We would need to be taking out this year's lows really to see 4K. And I don't think we're taking out. I think the low of the year in gold is in, and I don't think we're going to see it again.
Oh, well, the year is ending in 4 months.
Yeah, but I don't think we're going to see it
ever in
next
our
year.
lifetime.
You know, like, I mean, just because of like the drift that gold has as an inflationary like hedge, and that it has had over, you know, as the dollar continues to be just printed into thin air continuously forever, and will never cease to stop being printed that way. Like gold is the only, you know, historic hedge on that inflation. It is like across currencies, go back to the British pound. You can go back to, I don't know, whatever the Dutch had before that. It's in. Mark my word. Call me back and yell at me if it breaks.
I'm not yelling at nobody.
No, I'm talking to the chat. Chat will definitely yell at me.
Oh, okay.
Chat will definitely yell
That
at
has
me.
your number.
Oh, they're
Yeah,
gonna
no.
clip this.
Oh.
Me and Tanya are gonna get clipped just for being on the stream.
Yeah, it's guilt by association.
Yeah, we'll
We're
see.
gonna catch strays. We're cooked.
Please, all right, grubby gunned.
Here
Place
we
your
have
bets with me. Little side bet. You say for sure, I say for sure not.
Oh,
Are we allowed to
Hedging.
gamble on air? Are we allowed to bet?
I just went long ES.
oh, that was like a slot machine.
I guess, yeah.
Is that what a slot machine sounds like?
You've never been to a casino?
Ooh.
Oh, it's
No,
Mario Kart.
Never.
It's
It was Mario Kart. Yeah, that's what it sounded.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
I knew it sounded somewhat familiar. Wait,
Salma, you've never been to a Mario Kart themed casino?
no,
No,
sorry, dude. I
that's
didn't
like the
know those
mystery box.
existed.
I'm glad Bird USA 314. You tried out Geoaggressor and you're loving it. You're welcome. Be careful, it's addicting.
Oh, I think they also asked me that yesterday on stream if I have tried it since Tanja mentioned it. No,
Probably
I have
not.
not.
I knew it.
Someone asked why did I go long ES? So like I said at the beginning of the stream, 733 is a level I've had on the ES chart for quite some time now. We have been just basing here since 12:45 for almost 2 hours, where buyers have held here. And then, you know, we did print this hammer candle here, and I saw some volume kick in on NQ. So I just decided to take a stab. Again, I'm up nicely on the day, guys. I really, for me to take a trade, it had to really look good. And
How
this
good?
did.
What's good? What looks good?
Yes, looks good for higher, but
What does good look like?
what?
What does good look like?
It looks like that right
Looks
there.
All right.
But I'm only going 2 micros, guys. I don't want to give anything back. I'm trying to I'm pretending like I'm fencing right now, and I'm just telling market makers like, get back. You're not gonna take my money. Go away.
Focus Extreme says, like seriously, Jack looks like Todd James Lassance. I
Who the
don't know
hell
who
is
that
that?
is. Do you know who that is? I looked him up. But like seriously.
No, you don't look like him at all.
Do you know who that is?
I just looked him up.
Yeah.
You don't look like him. Don't worry.
No. Yeah, I can see a resemblance. He doesn't have
Eric, I caught gold from last night, but if I told you where I sold, you would cry for me because I left so much on the table. It's not
Don't
even
cry for
funny.
me, Argentina.
I sold at 432. We pushed 120 points past that.
I'm going
And
long.
I just sat there and watched it.
I'm going long YM.
Let's go long it.
Let's go long it.
Is Jack telling me to full port, guys? Is this
Full
what he's
port.
saying?
I never tell anybody to full
Bro,
port.
I just
I
heard
only
that.
tell my grandma to full port because she doesn't have that much
Someone
time
was
left.
like trolling me yesterday. They were like, "Oh, I'm trading using my grandma's retirement plan," and I was like, "I hope not." And then they gave me a donation on YouTube, and they were like, "This is from my grandma's fund." So like, I was like, "I really hope you're lying and trolling me. Do not do that, please."
Wait, they were giving you money from their grandma's account?
They were saying that they're trying to make it as a trader and they're using their grandma's retirement fund. And I was like, don't do that. And then they gave me like a donation of like $10. And then they said, here's money from my grandma. And I was like, I really hope you're just trolling me, bro.
Yeah. I would
Assuming
if
you
anybody here is trading with their grandma's funds, I suggest you don't do that. Don't do that. Go buy yourself some munis.
Yeah.
How about where's the pride in using your grandmother's money? Pride is just non-existent there, huh?
My
Where's the
grandma left
shame?
me a flag.
Like, imagine you being the future. Your grandma thinks you are the future. She
That'd
gave
be
birth to your
crazy.
parent, and you're gonna go play in her face and freaking lose her money? Are you joking?
Yeah, and speaking of like your grandma that saved all the money under her bed, you know, like how
Bro,
grandmas
your
are so
grandmother,
frugal.
man.
You cannot trade with frugal grandma's money.
That's something else.
I was
That's
stressed
You are
out.
a horrible person.
That's crazy stuff. Where is the pride?
Oh my gosh, my grandparents were frugal. So frugal.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
never got to meet any of mine.
They
You
just
guys are lucky.
Oh, really? You never met your grandparents?
No,
Oh.
unfortunate.
Sorry to hear that. One day you'll make a great grandma. Salma.
I don't know about all that.
You don't know about all that?
Let's calm down.
Why, you don't want to be a grandma?
That's like so
I
many
feel like
years
this is
from
a very
now.
personal question.
No, it's not. It's not personal. I don't take it like
she's
that.
also very young, right?
Bro, let me live in the now.
She's not even close to grandma age.
I know she's not close, but I'm just saying, like, Grandma Salma sounds just like, just
Bro,
giving good
that
advice.
sounds crazy. Grandma Salma.
I mean, I'm ready to be,
Oh.
Grandpa Jack one day. I mean, not now, but
One
one
day.
day.
Grandpa Jack, actually, that sounds
Kind of flows.
like, yeah. It does.
My grandma was 35 when I was born. That's crazy. What
That's
part of
cool.
Kentucky are you from? All right, let's see if I can get this YM.
Yeah,
So
Salma's acting like such an Aquarius today.
I agree.
Candle
pull the-
nerd.
Pull the tarot cards out.
I have pictures of me holding my niece while I was trading, like when she was a newborn. So, yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Cool story, bro. Don't tell it again. All right. What a day, guys. I'm not gonna shut up about it. After like what, 6 weeks of pure hell price action, we finally get some relief.
So hey,
Yeah, was it that long?
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah, I'm so excited for the winter action, like the post August.
Bro, but I'm not excited
Fall.
for winter. Like,
The
why
good
can't
with the bad, Salma.
but why can't MMs just, go somewhere tropical and nice for the winter
They're
and
all on
stay
yachts
home
in
for the
France. They're all on yachts in France. That's literally what's going on.
MMs, LOL. Yes, MMs, text. What's so funny about that? What made you laugh out loud about that? Tell me. You hit a 12K trade on your top step this morning? That's wild.
Kind of
That's
size.
Yeah, what kind of size did you have on?
Big boy.
Never heard anyone refer to market makers as MMs? Really?
What?
That's a common acronym. I would think.
I don't know if I'm going to take this YM trade. We didn't continue like I thought we would. Canceling.
Bro, yeah, EF struggling at previous week low, but come on.
Just doesn't have the juice right now. I don't know.
I'm trying to.
I'm waiting for a setup signal.
Yeah.
That gas is coming down finally. Jeff, are you here? You told me to only short nat gas overnight, and I said, I don't believe that data. And that gas just ripped all night long. I just want to remind you that. Just want to troll you back. We are finally falling down though in NG. I am actually interested in nat gas long. Here somewhere. Okay. If we close this 15-minute candle green, I will replace my order in the YM long. But if we don't, I'm not taking it.
Yeah, I would feel so much better about this position if we can get above 39 on ES. Tanya, what are you looking at?
I want to short NASDAQ soon. If it gets below midnight open. I like that we rejected the daily open on the NASDAQ and 8:30 open. And yeah, I'll see how this 15-minute closes. 5 minutes still looking all right, but I'm looking at if we do come back like below 520s, be interested in some shorts.
All right, this is
Cool.
going to close green.
Could end up working out for the bulls, though.
All right.
Oh.
Apparently, we have a picture to show. Apparently, we have a surprise.
Of what? What is it?
I don't know. I'm waiting to see. Austin's got it teeing up.
Bro.
I got to go live. I don't know.
What the yo.
Oh, my goodness.
What
Damn.
who did this?
Damn.
What is the AI art is crazy.
Who is responsible?
Trading charts and breaking hearts. You guys also look like you're solving crimes.
Yeah, we are. You
But
don't
it
see
is
the
with FBI,
magnifying. You don't see the magnifying glass,
Yeah.
bro. I look good.
The detectives.
I look good.
Sign up for the
Oh,
FBI.
man.
Wait. Keep it on. I want to keep looking at it. I screenshot
Salma's
it,
picking out her outfits from the AI.
bro. That looks so
generated.
good.
Bro,
Are you kidding me?
All right, gold's running here. Oh, nice dip there in GC.
What has ever been solved with a magnifying glass? That's a solid question.
Dude, a lot. I don't know what, but
I don't know what they look for, honestly. The magnifying glass. What are you looking for? Like a fingerprint?
Fingerprint is valid on like yeah, that's valid. But usually like you see cartoons, they hold the magnifying glass out. They're outside.
No.
Pointing it at the dirt and stuff. Yo, I look good. I'm happy about that.
I look fly. I
Production.
look good.
You guys did your thing. Keep up the good work.
Looking good, Billy Ray. Feeling good, Lewis.
So hey, come check me out. Yeah.
Wow.
I just noticed how sharp my eyebrows are in that picture.
On fleck.
Fleek.
Is it fleek?
On
Yeah.
fleek. Yeah.
Oh.
What'd you say?
What? I
Black.
thought he was being like ironic or something.
What is it? What is it?
Bro.
What is a fleek and what is a fleck? Is there a difference?
Stop.
I don't know
Dude,
what
a
a fleck
is in the thing. The fleck of dust or something. I don't know.
Okay, what is a fleek? A fleek of dust?
Like eyebrows
No,
on
fleek.
fleek.
Like,
Fleek means like looks good.
okay.
It's like a term from 2016.
I'm looking this one up.
Focus on extreme. Yeah.
Born
could
in a
check out
Vine
my
video on June
stream
21st,
I did.
2014, the term fleek is a busy word. Yeah,
It's a
this
speck of
apparently
dust.
was
I know
made
it
up
is a
on a
speck,
Vine
like
video.
fleck.
This isn't,
flick
you're telling me
something.
my word's not real? This word's not real. This word was made up on Vine. Vine doesn't even exist.
Anymore.
Oh,
Still
talk about a
existed.
Twitter. Dude, Twitter failed on that so hard.
What? All
They
words
bought-
are made
they
up.
bought
I agree,
it.
cabbage. All words are made up.
Facts, but like anything made up past 2000 is not something we needed. We could have like got something out of the dictionary and used it. You know what I'm saying?
What are you gonna start speaking words of your?
I wish I could.
Hear
I
ye,
am not
hear
that
ye.
intelligent. You ever try to read an old English
When do you
book?
guys talk about this?
Yeah, go and read Frankenstein or I don't know. I don't like read. Yeah, no, it breaks your.
I
Brain.
instantly feel dumb. I'm like, well, I know none of these words.
Wait, so Twitter bought Vine? Are you
Yeah,
serious?
you didn't know that?
I didn't
I
know
know
that
that they
either.
like, yeah, they someone bought it and then like it just basically fell apart. I didn't know that it was Twitter. Damn,
Yep.
that's crazy, bro.
Yeah, I mean, what a fumble.
Yep.
All right, filled on my Dow. Front of my mama.
Oh, you didn't cancel it.
No, I replaced it. I should have. I don't know. I was debating, but we got some things here that make me like it. I'm tightening on my stop though. What are we singing?
I'm just Ken like stuck in my head from the Barbie movie. It's a great song, honestly.
A Barbie movie.
Yeah, the Barbie movie.
So a funny story about that. I went to go watch it and it was so packed. So we settled for literally the front row to be able to watch this dumb movie. Wasn't even good. Okay. And
What was funny about
um,
the story? She
I
always
was
likes to
getting
go funny
there.
story
It was-
about that. I
It's not
prefer you just to
ha-ha.
say the story. Then you're ruining. That's not how you tell a funny story. Don't say it's funny because then people are like expecting a punchline, and then it doesn't take them off guard because they're expecting something.
Oh, it's never haha, guys.
You
It's
don't go.
always-
You want to hear something funny? Just say it. Pro tip. But yeah, no, sitting in the front sucks. I've maybe done that once in my life.
Bro,
I
her
like
feet
this.
looked ginormous on the screen.
But that's funny. That is funny.
It was, yeah, no, it was not a fun. Note to self: don't sit in the front row.
I think anyone could
It's
have
on neck problems.
first world problems.
You get away with more in the back, if you know what I'm saying.
Hey, yo.
This is a family show. He's bringing in food to the movie theater. Is that
I'm
what?
just talking about sneaking in popcorn or
Yeah,
snacks. Yeah. You know what? The trench coat, a bit of M&Ms, your sodas.
Mm-hmm.
I know you guys don't go to movies. We got a drive-in here in Chicago. Only plays old movies.
We have a drive-in here too.
I've never been to a drive-in movie theater. I would want to go. They actually have one in New York in Greenpoint. I gotta make it out there. In Brooklyn.
You're gonna have to rent a car, Tanya.
I have friends with cars.
I'm like,
I'm not gonna buy the car, but my friends
just
have cars.
rent a car so you could go to a drive-in. Love America.
There's one in New York, Tanya, but it's like upstate.
There's one in
Warwick.
Greenpoint, Brooklyn. Kind of a boring afternoon right now.
Oh, they're gonna speed it up for us. Just gotta make a phone call real quick.
I'm not
Okay.
seeing the continuation. I want to see.
Yeah, market makers, can you guys turn up the volume for Tanya, please? All right, thanks. Bye. Should be good. 30 minutes.
All right, thanks.
It said 30 minutes.
That's a long time.
I know. I mean, they're still out.
They're backed up.
They're backed up. They're sipping gin martinis by the pool with Jim. Jim's not telling us that they're over at his house.
Jim
Goes, let's
an
do it.
insider.
Do it. Do it.
The only tickets for Odyssey IMAX are front row. Yeah, deadly. I know. I've been looking. I went to just check it out online and everything is just sold out for that. I mean, because there's only like 24 true IMAX theaters in the country, so they have like 2 a.m. showtimes now, but you couldn't pay me to go watch a movie at 2 a.m. and leave at like 5 a.m. Oh nah.
That's
Oh, nah.
crazy. That's crazy.
Oh, nah.
Oh nah.
Oh, nah. What's my name? Oh, nah. All right.
Oh man, in middle school we'd always go, oh nah.
Oh, nah.
I'm trying to get long gold here too, but it ain't.
Wait, so Jack, do you say soda or pop?
I don't know. I really don't know. I don't even know what I say.
You said
I feel like I
soda,
say
someone in the
soda.
chat's like, hey, we're
I
from
feel
the
like I say
Midwest.
soda. Pop. I don't know. Soda pop. Depends on, am I ordering? Can I get a Coke? Like, I don't feel like I say either.
What if there's no Coke? What if they say, is Pepsi okay? Is Pepsi okay?
I'm upset.
But would you say it's
I'm
okay, or
asking
are you
for
changing your
water.
order?
If they tell me Coke is not there and they only have Pepsi, I'm like, you know what? I'll do a water.
Yeah, I'm not getting the Pepsi. One time I was at a cafe in Croatia and they were like, and I was like, okay, no Coke, you only have Pepsi. Okay, how about a Sprite? And they're like, no, we only sell Pepsi products. And I was like, damn, how much is Pepsi paying you guys for
I'll
this?
take Sierra Mist then. I think that's, or no, they
I
renamed
asked
it.
for 7-Up, and you know what
It's
they
something
gave me?
else.
They gave me a
Isn't it?
7-Up Zero. I was so mad.
That's crazy.
I didn't
Uh,
ask for a 7-Up Zero, bro.
I think is Mountain Dew Pepsi?
It could be actually. I'm not sure.
I heard a really interesting theory of why Sierra Mist is now starry now, but I don't know if it's true. So I'm not going to repeat it on air, but you can Google it if you want. I'm sure it'll come up. So Mountain Dew is Pepsi. So, okay, Baja Blast. I'm in. I'm in for some Baja Blast. Am I eating trash food? Am I eating
No.
a cheesy gordita crunch?
No, you're
Is
like eating.
there
You're at
a
like
cheesy
a
burrito?
burger place or something.
Love that noise.
I don't know why we got that noise. It's like a church gong.
That's a Taco
Oh.
Bell sound. Come on.
Oh, that's how much I don't know. I've had Taco Bell once in my life.
That's because they don't have them in New York.
Yes, they do.
They
I
don't
just
have
don't-
them in New York.
No,
It's
just
too
never went
expensive to have fast food in New York. It never get fast food is a suburb thing only. You don't get fast food in the city because it's just disappointing because how expensive it is. You're like, this is just as much as
You
if
can
I
get
like
better food. You can get better food for the same price or less. That's the thing. I only
exactly.
get fast food if I'm like in, the middle of nowhere, Pennsylvania, by like Hershey Park. There's no good options. Okay, I gotta go Chick-fil-A twice a day or
Hershey
Wendy's.
Park sounds barren. Sounds like there's nothing going on there. Maybe what there was in the 50s.
Yeah.
Back when Hershey's was made with chocolate. They can't even call it chocolate anymore. They just call it Hershey's.
They call it like chocolate products. Is that what's happening?
Yeah, they've done it. They've removed the chocolate from the chocolate bar.
Do they actually? Like, is that
No,
in
legit,
the
like,
EU
it's a
or
thing.
also in the US?
There's something about it. Even like I want to say one of the heirs to the original Reese's recipe, like one of the grandsons of the guy who
They
created
changed it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like not real. Everything's fake
mad.
these days. It's like, oh, you want candy? Here's fake candy. It's not even real.
My mom
Okay.
always said life was like a box of chocolates.
Because they're using vegetable oil instead of cocoa butter. Yikes.
I'm taking my NQ off. I've been in this trade a while. I'm going to move my stop right above my break even. I just don't care. Just stick around. And if that's YM, I'm not going to take. If I take an L on the YM, I'm not taking an L on NQ.
So it depends on what it is in Hershey's. So apparently, like if the classic item, like the Hershey's milk chocolate bars and Kisses and Kit Kats are still legal and fine to use the milk chocolate name because they still have enough. But there's chocolate candy like Almond Joy. No one likes Almond Joy anyway. Mr. Good Bar at times use alternative oil blends, requiring it to say chocolate candy instead of chocolate. But apparently in the
Gotcha.
UK and EU, standard American Hershey's bars don't meet the local cocoa solid minimum. So
The
they have
bar
to
is
be
always
sold
super
chocolate
low
flavor.
in the US. So I'm sure.
What's it called? Super.
No, I'm just saying the bar is super low, like for
Oh yeah.
They're like, we'll let you call it chocolate if it's got like 10% chocolate in it. Versus like the UK would be like 50% of the product would need to be made of chocolate. It's like, I actually think the chicken nuggets at McDonald's, they can't call them chicken nuggets anymore. They call them like McNuggets or something.
That's with the McNugget. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. That's
It's like,
crazy.
what am I eating? Can someone tell me what am I eating? They love that clip.
What is that? Is that
That's
you?
me. That's me making fun of Salma. Because Salma was just chirping me the whole time. And as soon as I chirp her, she's like, oh, you can't chirp me. I'm like, well, you've been chirping me the whole day.
Like literally making those sounds.
What the hell is
No, I went.
chirping?
That's the clip live.
Wait. I came back just to say that I like Almond Joy. Maybe
Oh,
no
of
one
course
likes
you
Almond
do.
Joy.
I'm here to yuck
Ew.
your yum.
Yo, Almond Joy is bang. You guys are, you don't know nothing.
Well, you guys have a lot in common because you guys both love Taco Bell. Salma said that Taco
Oh,
Bell
I
is
love
the
Taco
best
Bell.
fast food in America.
I don't know
if I
if
had
I
to choose.
love
Wait.
Taco Bell.
I need to expand on that.
Don't classify me as a lover of Taco Bell.
Okay, I love Taco Bell. I can stand on that. But if we're gonna talk about, I'm not talking Chick-fil-A, I'm not talking Shake Shack, I'm not talking Chipotle.
Yeah, we're not doing. Yeah,
We're
those don't count.
talking.
Those are too
We're
healthy.
talking McDonald's, White Castle, which I don't think I've ever had, like Burger King. When you're comparing Wendy's, all that, I would say Taco Bell, Wendy's are top 2. And then everything
All right,
else I
what's
don't
your
care
Wendy's
about.
order?
Way better.
4 for 4. Just so I remember where I came from, the struggle.
I get it.
Checkers,
Salma.
4 for 4.
The 3 for 10. The 3 for 10 from Chili's.
Ooh,
You guys know what I'm talking about?
3 for 10 from Chili's. We don't have Chili's in the city.
I've never been to a Chili's.
That's a suburban thing.
Bro,
The rent is too damn
Went
high.
to
in the
Applebee's
city.
and it was trash.
Chili's baby back ribs, barbecue sauce.
I do like the ribs.
Barbecue sauce.
Baby back.
All right.
What is this? What are we doing here? Why haven't we
Arby's is
pushed
terrible.
We're
up?
not doing nothing.
Well,
We're doing a
that's
whole lot
shame.
of nothing. We're going to go back. Russell's getting weaker. It just keeps getting weaker. Russell was weak yesterday, though.
Oh,
So-
Russell. Wait. Russell's at low a day?
Yeah. No, it's, I mean,
Yes.
low of RTH, I guess.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm referencing.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, you know what, Tanya? Maybe I'll go get some Taco Bell later.
Send us a
Maybe.
pic.
Live your life.
Maybe.
I'm not the food police. Live your life. Elaine says Chili's is the Olive Garden of Italian food. I thought Olive Garden was Italian food. I thought Chili's like, what is Chili's? American food?
I think.
Wings? It's ribs. I like Outback. Outback is good if we were talking about like restaurants, like chains. Outback.
All right,
Good
what's
day,
that
mate.
stock?
Hmm?
What? That's a stock. They're Publix. Outback, I know. They
Oh,
are.
really?
Yeah.
Chili's is Tex-Mex. Okay. Olive Garden is the McDonald's of Italian food. Yeah, I could see that.
Like, what even is this 30-minute candle?
A doozy.
Oh.
Is Outback actually Australian or is it just themed Australian? Because, like, I mean, let's be honest, Taco Bell is not Mexican. It's just
I think it's
themed
just
now.
themed. I don't really know.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know. You get the blooming onion, of course, but you have to be with friends because that's a huge portion. And then you get the ribs. I've never been to Olive Garden. Yeah, New Yorkers don't eat Olive Garden when we have authentic Italian restaurants. I agree. There's plenty of Italian restaurants.
If the only Italian restaurant you have where you live is Olive Garden, I'm sorry. I am sorry. You need to move. So,
We got
Mr.
an
Donkeys,
Australian in the chat.
are you telling me my Australian Shepherd is not from Australia? This I have been lied to about the breed of my dog. I need to know, because this whole time I thought he was from down under.
No wonder. That's a great song. Come on, do
Yeah, Elaine,
something.
The Office is awesome. Rewatched it many times. Yeah, don't be a Michael Scott at Sparrows. Agreed. There's so many good pizza spots. Go to Prince Street Pizza. Go to Bleeker's Pizza.
Okay, I got a
Pizza.
Prince Street by me. Believe it or not.
Yeah, I don't know.
They
I've never
opened one
had
in Chicago.
outside. I've had a Prince Street on Prince Street.
Yo, that's crazy.
They're a
You got
chain
the
now. They're all over. I
OG.
saw one in Phoenix. I was shocked. Yeah, John's Bleecker. That's a good one. I like Patsy's Pizza is great.
Patsy's. Patsy, like.
What's the one under the Brooklyn Bridge?
Like John
There's
Oswald,
three of them
Patsy?
under the Brooklyn Bridge. Grimaldi's
John-
is good too.
Or Lee Harvey.
Grimaldi's similar to Patsy's. I like Grimaldi. Are you guys both in your long still? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see a clean short setup, so
It's just kind of nothing.
if we just consolidate, like I don't know. I'm guessing it's gonna happen in the last like 10 minutes of the day or something. NinjaTrader is like obsessed with your YM stuff.
I'm about to block him. He spoke too much. I'm never gonna see him speak again. I'm sorry. Enjoy talking to thin air.
Well, me and Tanya will just read out his comments.
No,
I'm
I
not
don't
gonna
need
read it
that.
out loud.
I don't
I'll,
need
like,
that.
chuckle or something. I don't know what's happening.
I don't know what's going on with him
They're
either. I
speaking
wasn't
Portuguese to you,
sure
too.
if he had Tourette's or just troll syndrome, but he has some syndrome.
I love The Office, but Elaine, I watched like one episode of Seinfeld. Didn't do it for me. Recommend a good episode because the one with the Chinese restaurant didn't do it for me.
Okay, is there a good chain of Chinese besides not
Is there
real
Panda
Chinese?
Express? That's decent.
Besides Panda Express, like,
Panda Express
there's-
invented orange chicken.
Okay, I
I
agree.
hate Panda.
What is it called? PF Chang's is good, but I don't think that's like a fast.
I've only had it at the airport, which is the worst place to try anything.
Yeah.
I want to say they have one at the Cabo San Lucas Airport.
The contest and the opposite. Okay, I'm gonna write that down, you guys. So you've only had Panda Express at the airport?
No. PF Chang's.
Oh, really? They had
Yeah,
one?
I think they have one
Where,
at the
like-
Cabo San Lucas Airport. If anybody's been to the
Okay.
Cabo San Lucas Airport and can confirm that. I have a Panda fairly close to my location, so.
Yeah, I always get my Chinese food from a local place. Again, perks being New York. Always go local.
Yup.
Let's see. Yeah, yesterday I went to a bar to listen to a talk to support a professor that I used to have because he was raising money for his lab. He was like giving a talk in a bar, you pay tickets, 2-item minimum. And I thought it would be about, he's a data scientist professor and also a neuroscientist. And no, the talk was about World War II. This is very interesting, though. It was like, why Japan surrendered.
Because they got nuked.
Yeah, all of the factors. Well, it's kind of crazy that the Army and the Navy were like hated each other. So the Army was doing great. They wanted to keep fighting, while the Navy was decimated. The Emperor had to come in and be the break the tiebreaker. Vote twice. Trump is speaking on crypto right now. He's meeting with crypto firms at the White House. Yeah. It says tech leaders on the calendar. Does he finally start talking? Let's see. Yeah, there he is.
Maybe I should have held my
Making the-
IBIT position.
Your what?
My IBIT position, Bitcoin
IBIT?
ETF.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see how, crypto names react.
So he's talking to the crypto bros today. I mean, that was a long consolidation breakout. I really don't expect a whole lot of continuation in Bitcoin, to be honest. It's just going to back and fill. We're going to just slowly roll over. If you look at the daily chart, we just spent weeks on the 50% retracement long from the low of the year to high, which was, well, in IBIT, it was 35.40, but let me look what it was in BTC. It was literally just the 50% retracement long from the lows of the year to the most recent swing high, and it was a 62,590, and we had 4 daily touches, and the last daily touch being 4 days ago.
Wow. You guys, I had a dream last night that I was trading and the NASDAQ, I was like, oh man, it looks good for a short. And I was thinking about it. And then we just dropped without me. 0 retracements, continued just dropping. And I was like, damn it. I missed it. So I had a dream about the NASDAQ. Am I cooked, you guys? I feel like everyone's had a dream about trading at least at one point.
I mean, like nightmares.
I don't know.
I can't tell if I'm dreaming or if I'm actually waking up and looking at my quotes like this on my phone. Eye open.
I get confused when I wake up. I'm like, damn, was that real or not? Like, I'm still confused if that happened yesterday or in my dream. Do enough screen time, you get the dreams. I agree. I close my eyes, I still see candlesticks.
Oh, man. Poor girl. Yes, this gold though. I tell you what, I'm looking for it. We are all right. Is it nat? I'm honestly gonna try to go to the long nat gas here though. I was looking for this setup since last stream yesterday at close. Are we at my level yet? I gotta look. Where are you, Mr. Natty? Yes.
All right, we're getting some movement. Please don't let this be a wick again. A 30-minute on ES looks disgusting.
We have finally gotten. We just need to see some buying confirmation here in this natty gas. And then I'm going long. Just give me one 50-minute green candle for Mr. Natty. GC high of day. Yes. I should have just trying to buy a pullback, but in GC. But guess what? We have not got one. It's literally been straight up 5-minute green bars since 235 without a single pullback. That was a really aggressive bid that we came out of and made that new high. Like, I feel like we should have pulled back a little steeper, but what do I know?
Well, LJ was about Japan.
Wow, GC.
What about
Oof.
GC?
Just pumping. Next level I have on
Dude, I know.
gold.
I know. Well, you know what?
is-
I'm going to start looking at silver and like copper's way deeper in the range. And I like really following like if silver and gold are breaking out, which they are both on highs here. If copper has like a better setup, because copper is actually down on the day. So actually, you know what? I like copper better.
I have 74 as the next level for gold. I mean, we're very close to it.
All right.
See
I'm just
what
gonna-
happens there.
Put a lemon in for copper at 648.25. Eesh.
You'll never catch me, coppers.
Tracy says copper got hit today because there was a large delivery to LME, alleviating some of the stress. The fundamental bull story is still there. There you go.
Here we go. Exactly what I need Tracy for.
Tracy coming in clutch when we need her.
Tell me what's going on. I love this pullback in copper here today. The low of yesterday is the 50% retracement from the lows of late June, which was actually the low of June. So the low of June to the current high of the year divided by 2 traded yesterday. Big old daily halfway back, as I call it. And we're coming out of that. So big old liquidation yesterday. Other metals breaking out higher here. I like this thing back to highs. I'll be looking long overnight. And natty gas.
Indices
I
coming
can-
back alive a bit.
Yeah. I told you 30 minutes. My guy said 30 minutes, which was 3 o'clock. So after I got off the phone with him.
What else he tell you?
He told me that almond joys are not good.
You're respectfully, you are bugging.
Yeah, almond joys are terrible.
Dude, the worst. No, you know what? How about paydays? Can I get your opinion on guys on paydays?
Ew, I don't think I've ever.
I don't think I've tried that
No,
one.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Chat.
The name
How do we-
doesn't even sound appealing.
Is that a Hershey's bar?
Wait, you're telling me the name payday doesn't sound appealing to you? I
Oh
love
well,
a payday.
in a chocolate form. Not a candy.
Chocolate!
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
I do
Give
eat
me some
avocado
chocolate.
toast and drink matcha and bench your girlfriend.
Ew, what? Wait, what?
This guy said, I bet you eat avocado toast and drink matcha. And I said, I do all that and I bench your girlfriend.
Okay. I don't know. Girls don't weigh that much.
I mean, it depends on the girl, you know?
No, definitely
His-
depends on the girl, Tanya.
Okay.
Why?
Oh,
I
I
do. I
see
love
now.
bastards lying on the side of him. And this guy must be reading my texts.
Bro, that guy's an analyst in my Discord.
Yeah, he
Just
might just
trolling.
know. He might just know.
He knows because he tunes into every single show.
Yeah. Chocolate paydays, never had one.
It literally feels like we're trading Asia session. Like
No, Asia actually moves, Tanya. I don't know if you watch Asia or trade it
It's
at all.
Asia
But
before 7 o'clock.
yes.
I've heard good. I mean, Asia moves, but doesn't it move slowly?
Not
Like-
recently. Recently, it's been moving
Yeah.
better than New York.
I've heard good things about Asia recently. Yes, that's true. I mean, the OG Asia. I'm just can.
I'm like a bird.
Only fly away.
Asia before 7 is an almond joy, Tanya. Or it's
Almond
Salma.
Joy sucks, bro.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, it's
Like
true.
we are the close, the August summer end of day session. Nah, it's brutal. It's brutal. It's bad. It's a whole lot of
Not it.
nothing.
Agree.
More almond joy for me.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Give me a 15-minute green candle.
I am starting to get bored, but I'm about to close this position out.
This is what I know. You know what? Sarah the Strat Sniper is going to be talking about this after that's tomorrow. Broadening formation.
Yeah.
Broadening formation.
Bro.
It's a big thing in the strat.
So the strat, do you know who created the strat quote?
Yeah.
The strat? Robin.
Yeah.
I had no idea that I used to work in that guy's office.
Wait, really?
Yes. Like I knew Rob personally, like in
Damn.
2014. Yeah.
Wait, does Sarah know you know him?
I didn't know that she knew who he was, honestly, until she tweeted the other day. But yeah, I've been to his house, like in his lab, his strat lab. Yeah, I knew him well.
Oh, Jack.
I know everybody. I've been around a
You
long
do.
time. No, I didn't work at T3. I mean, I know he worked for T3, but like when he was on, like he would do his own squawk thing. Like I was in the back in his, I had an office with him. And he would just be announcing the strat the whole day.
He was like, we got a 2 up.
12
We
years
got
ago.
2-1-2 down.
No, that's not him. No, that's a
crazy sentence.
No, it's about this billionaire guy I work for. That was a whole different story. Yeah, his screen setup was I think in the office, I think he had 18 monitors. I had 8. I think he had 18 monitors.
What?
You had 8? It's crazy. How many do you have now?
4. But I traded equities at the time, so I was watching a lot more. You'd just be watching a lot and then you'd focus on one. But like you kind of just like staring at like what's moving. My scanning skills weren't as great. But yeah, Rob in the black. Let's see if I get a picture of that office from somewhere. God, that might be on an old phone. A long time ago. don't even know if I have it on this phone. I think I had-
Trey, I've never had Arby's a day in my life. I wouldn't even know where to find an Arby's near here. That's like
Alright.
South Jersey vibes.
This was on Rob's desk.
Arby's is terrible. I'm sorry.
That's just one section of what you could fit. That was from Rob from the Strat, Rob in the Black's desk.
Move it to the left. The other way.
Other way.
Other
way.
left.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, that's just one section. So in that photo, let's see, he has like 12, 24. I mean, he has like, I don't know, 60 tickers or something, 70 tickers in that one photo. And that was 6 of his like 14 computers. And then, oh my God, I don't even want to show this photo. This is hilarious. That was my desk.
Wow. Wait,
other way. Other way.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, such a baby.
And the same, so I was sitting right next to him.
That's so cool.
Yeah, I didn't realize you guys would know who he was because he died a few years ago.
Yeah, I mean, if you know the strat, then you would know of him.
Yeah.
Plus, everyone, I would say for the most part, all strat traders that I know credit him, rightfully so. So, like, yeah, you can't not know him.
Yeah, I mean, man, he would all day long just be calling tickers out. It's pretty crazy to watch.
There you go. Elaine says Rob taught Sarah and Sarah taught me.
Cool.
That's just the strat.
So I mean, I would say learn from her because I wouldn't even call myself like an expert of the strat. Like I'm aware of it. I never studied it extensively. But like I'm aware of like broadening formations, inside candles is a big part of it. Breakouts from inside candles. But yeah, check out Sarah if you want to learn more about the strat. Tune in tomorrow, Thursday. I believe tomorrow's Thursday, right, guys?
Yeah.
With Jim.
Tomorrow is Thursday. Yep.
Cool.
I legit just went over inside bars on my stream yesterday. Some people don't know like what that is.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know a lot of my price action related stuff from the strat. Like
Cool. Yeah, I mean I my first inside and outside barcode, I converted from toss from him on a different software, but that was 11 years ago.
Bro, you've literally been doing this for so long.
Well, it's so funny because if you've just been doing it forever, you just meet everybody.
Like if you look at Jack though, you would say that he doesn't
He's
look
still in his
like
20s.
yeah, you look really young.
Thanks. Gosh, don't make me blush.
You definitely don't look like, and this is not a bad thing, but you don't look like you've been around for so long. You know, like
I'm not beat up and haggard.
yeah.
I mean, trading to take a toll on you for sure.
Yeah.
See that
You know what I
meme? You ever
think
see that
takes
meme?
a
It's like
bigger toll
after
on you?
2 years of
Driving
trading.
to an office every day and working like 10 hours. I think that takes a bigger toll on you.
That's a good point. I think the beginning part of trading is hard. Like you can't treat it. Someone asked me yesterday, can it be like a hobby? Like not when you're learning.
Yeah.
Once you developed your edge.
I mean,
You
I
could
think
trade for 2 hours a day and that's it. Like, but even so, it's not really a hobby. You have to stay on top of market trends and such.
yeah, no, actually, when I worked at the office I commuted an hour to it. That sucked.
Damn.
Yeah. That was the last time I really commuted to a trading office. I was like, oh.
I have a crazy commute too.
Yeah. What's it like,
Yeah.
15 feet?
I go from my room to my office. How cool would it be though if it was just all in one? Then I wouldn't have to do nothing.
You don't even have to get up. Your bed just lifts up. Your screens
Yeah.
rotate
Oh
down.
my God, one of those things like the bed and there's a screen right there and you can lay down.
And
Wow.
how about just a robot to just feed you food so you don't even have to leave your bed?
Bro, that's
cares?
it. There you go.
Never leave.
Never leave.
The young age of 7 at the exchange. Yes, they had me sweeping up the floors. I got by the childhood labor laws. They had me sweeping the floors. Now that picture of me, if you've seen it, on the floor, is from a company. I'm not going to name the company, but the first prop firm trading competition pretty much ever held. But you could probably guess what company if you know the space well enough.
Yeah.
The first kid I ever taught to trade futures, beat like 300 other people. And when he won, they brought him to Florida. He asked if he could bring me. And so that's what that picture's from. I was like, look, this pit thing, it exists. Look at all these people. Yeah. I think
just get us above previous week low, please.
Back to like trading as a hobby. Like I think I think learning can be a hobby, but like the process of trading is kind of hard to be like a hobby. I don't know. That's kind of how like learning, like, reading can be a hobby, like, but like, and I think when you're learning about trading, there's so much information that you can kind of make it a hobby. But like, if you actually
It'll take a really long time though. Like, yeah.
Yeah, but like, let's just say you're learning about, like, you're reading about candlesticks or something, just like the initial basics, because like you're not actually like physically trading, like the process of trading, just more of like the concepts of trading.
Right.
Yeah. Like reading, like maybe just like reading like Jesse Livermore and like all that. But yeah, I mean, you got to move it away from a hobby to like make it real.
Totally.
Yes, I have been holding this whole time. Call me Diamond Hands. I'm basically like a Bitcoin investor. I've been in for a whole, how many? I don't know. Let's see if it tells me if my timer started or not. I don't know if it. I've been in for 2 hours. I've been in straight for 2 hours. 2 hours, 7 minutes, and 27 seconds, to be exact. Very long time. But yes, that's why I've moved my stop up. And it just hasn't done anything. I don't know. Like, this could be one of those days we've had, like, earlier this week, we were doing nothing, or no, was that Friday? We were doing nothing, and like the last 30 minutes, we just ripped.
Yeah.
Sometimes it'd be like that. Sometimes. 30-minute countdown starts soon.
Soon. Pretty soon.
It's fun. It's fun. Oh.
Asked if Trump is done talking. Let me check.
Probably. I feel like it was a while ago.
No, he's still speaking.
I think we could see 600? It's not that far away. It's definitely in the realm of possibilities, but I have no opinion outside of that. Could we see it? I mean, we're trading 50s, so it's 50 points, and we got 30 minutes in the close. For us to move 50 points up or down 30 minutes in the close, I say we probably do that in the last 30 minutes, move 50 points 95% of the time. One direction or the other.
True.
I'm sure you could look up that stat, but I do not know it. But if I were to guess, in the last 30 minutes of the day, 95% of the days we have at least a 50-point move from high to low.
This is pretty crazy, guys. We had such a good day, and the afternoon's kind of just a dud.
Be like that.
It do be like that. All right, I'm gonna take my $30 here and call it a day. If it wants to pump last 30 minutes for Jack, by all means, market. Be my guest.
If you leave the market, my position won't work. Please don't leave.
I'm out already.
You
Usually it
are
does
the
work,
market.
Jack.
Okay, so you're fading yourself.
Usually it works, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, the dude I blocked can watch my YM hit its target after his 30 troll comments.
Ooh, spicy.
What show is the Peanut Gallery from?
I don't know.
It's an old show.
Jack, you gonna answer? Oh, Jack got ducked. I'm like,
The
Jack, are you
Howdy
gonna
Doody show?
Jack, are you gonna answer a question?
1950s children's television program. Yeah, this is like this price action would drive me crazy to be in anything right now. Definition of range trade between this 15-minute and this 15-minute on the NASDAQ, right? It's coming back up, curling back up, but it's not really worth the mental energy.
Look, now I see it never fails. Now it's gonna work.
GG's to anybody who is still holding longs. Let's see. You guys can thank Salma if it does work out.
You're welcome, guys. Yeah.
That's creepy.
Thanks for playing. Hello. I need to get my pre-workout going.
Yo, no way. Now they want to push it? Oh my God.
I told you, once you're out,
They're
I'm
such
in.
bums, man. They're trying to bait me, guys. Don't take the bait. Don't take the bait.
If that wasn't a clip, it will become one.
Oh, I hate when I say something clip worthy. Why? Why do I like this? Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. So production, you guys are so out of pocket today. Holy shit.
Yo. Dude, I don't want to drink this too early. I got my little pre-workout here. I'm going straight to the gym after. I'm going to move this Dow target up a little bit higher because we just ATR'd up. We got 25 minutes left, so I'm going to hold this till close. See if we get a little bit of a higher squeeze. I hit 2/3 of my target. Stop is break even. Mood break even automatically on that trade. once again, this is why you got to listen to yourself and not other traders, including myself. What is my opinion is always going to be different than other people's. I could be right, I could be wrong. And when other traders are trying to tell you what they do, I always say, well, why do you think that? Do you have like data? If somebody has some like legitimate data. Yesterday, I was looking for a long in nat gas, and somebody was telling me that I should only short it. And I was like, well, what data do you have based on that I should only short nat gas overnight? And there was no answer. And nat gas continued to rip.
There was an answer.
Yeah, no, there was. I mean, if there was an answer, if there's something like 76% of Wednesdays we trend down in nat gas, I'd be like, okay, like maybe that's what's going to happen. But you always got to trade what you think's going to happen. You're all risking your own capital. We're risking ours,
Mm-hmm.
And my thesis is going to change minute to minute. So is yours.
Mm-hmm.
Just manage your risk, take your targets, do the best you can.
No risk, no Rari.
Yeah, I got a limit in gold, not filled. I should have been a little more on top of gold today, but it was kind of early in the morning. I was short the NASDAQ and I was kind of focused on that position, and we were ripping in gold, and I didn't get to my desk till 9:00 New York, realistically. So by the time 9:00 New York was around, most of the gold move was over.
Salma's clutching her pearls.
No.
That is actually what's going on, though. This is not an exaggeration.
You guys want to laugh?
Yeah.
Maybe Tanja, maybe this is a ha-ha moment.
Stop setting it up that way.
Ew.
Oh my God.
What was that?
That was Beavis and Butthead. Wow.
Okay.
Clip farming right now.
Well, they're having too much fun.
Are
you threatening me?
Bruh.
All right, I got taken out of my final there in the YM for one tick above my entry.
Oh no. Did we
It's
jinx
all
the chat?
We did. Profitable trade nonetheless.
It's okay.
It happens to the best
pretty
of us.
ugly action in the last hour.
Here we go.
Okay, Salma, tell your story. Please.
So I was on stream, I think Monday. And you guys know that I'm always like touching my face. I'm always like going like this, right? Part of that is because I have one of those pull-out keyboards and I can just rest my arm on it. And then I just rest my chin on my hand. Like, I don't know. Not something I ever thought about. It's just something I do. Someone in my chat goes, I forget the acronym that they used, but they're like, do you do such and such? And I'm like, what's that? I looked it up. They're asking me if I do tobacco pouches because I'm always touching my mouth. I'm like, what the hell? No, they used it was like ASUS or something like that. I don't even know.
Snus.
That, yeah, something like that. Yeah. And I'm like, what? I'm like, God forbid someone touches their face. You guys out here thinking that we're freaking, I don't know, tobacco addicts.
Tobacco addicts is a crazy
So
word.
now every time I'm like this, I'm thinking about that. I'm like, yo, there's someone out there that thinks
I'm a tobacco addict.
I'm readjusting the pouch or something. Like,
we're sending you to rehab for tobacco.
You can never cough?
You can never cough on stream. People are going to ask if you smoke.
Got it. Okay, can't cough. What else can't we do, guys?
No, people, if you talk slow, people accuse you of being high. People accuse me of being high all the time. I'm like, are you high? You smoke weed? I'm like, no, it's not really my thing.
I'm telling you guys, no matter what we do, can't win. Cannot win.
Everybody's just looking for friends, and some people don't know how to make them. They're still in that like third grade bullying mentality that if you just be mean to people, You know, some people just aren't pleasant to be around, but most people are good people. And most of our viewers, the overwhelmingly large, are contributors who make my day, who are positive. And you guys too. You guys too. Just, you know, get on, smile with somebody.
Bro, why would you say that, bro? Delete that comment.
Delete what comment?
No, don't even read that.
Don't even. Are you a tobacco addict?
No.
The next one?
Production needs to go delete that.
We're getting trolled nonstop.
No, focus on extreme to clear up the room and any potential allegations and questions. I am not a tobacco addict, and I do not have pouches in.
Imagine if your mom starts tuning in or something.
I mean, whatever. But like, what kind of question was that? God forbid I'm touching my face. I can't even do this without people thinking I'm up to no good.
Thinks she's vaping. She's secretly vaping.
Bro, like,
Would you like a smoke and a pancake?
If I wanted to vape, then I would just do it. I wouldn't, you know, like I wouldn't just sit here and.
Yeah, I don't think there's a rule in the contract. No vaping on air. Huh?
I mean, I wouldn't want to do that in front of you guys, but like if I really wanted to, I could, right? Like, why would I sit here and try and, I don't know.
Mumford, where are you located? I saw that what you tweeted at me. That big old bull you had, big old bull elk. Real Mumford's got a bull elk. He's waiting for me to come take from him.
The real what?
A bull elk. The real Mumford. A boy in the chat.
Morford?
Morford? I don't know where I got Mumford.
We met him in Miami.
Oh, that's Spencer?
No, that's Morford. He's an older guy, I believe.
Okay.
Well, I met Morford.
I probably met him too. Met a lot of people.
Chef, there's nothing wrong with cigarettes. I'm just saying, why I can't even touch my face. Getting allegations left and right. Wait, Morford, can you confirm you are the person we met in Miami, correct?
Don't deny it though. Can you confirm nor deny? Dude, I kind of feel like buying the bottom of this range in Dow again. Wait, let me check my scanner. Let me go check some stats. Quick.
Wait, we didn't meet him in Miami. Who am I confusing him with?
We didn't? No, so I was like, what are you talking about? Willis?
Oh, my bad. Who
I think you're talking about
what you talking about, Willis?
Boris Quant.
No, we met someone else. It was was an older gentleman, and he has like a similar name. Maybe he's listening right now. If you are.
Right. If I'm not back at the home by 9, they declare me legally dead and collect my insurance.
Well, production is so bored. They're having fun.
Who's saying that one? Who's that? Grandpa Simpson. Oh, okay. The Simpsons are good.
So, fun fact: I met Homer Groening, which is Matt Groening's son. I also met Matt. I went to camp with a kid, and I'm like, "What's your name?" He's like, "My name's Homer." I'm like, "Really? Like, your name's actually Homer?" He's like, "Yeah, I know, I get it." I'm like, "Well," he's like, "I go by Will though." I'm like, "Well, why is your name Homer?" He's like, "Well, my dad created The Simpsons." I'm like, "Oh, that makes sense." And I guess The Simpsons, Matt Groening, his sister is Liz. His mom is whatever the characters are. His dad's name is legitimately Homer. His mom's name is Marge, and his sister is Liz. Is there one more character? Lisa. Yeah, Lisa and Maggie. Those are actually the names, and he's supposed to be Bart, but those are actually the names of the people in his family.
Oh, he named the characters after his family. I don't know why I was like, oh, he named I thought he wrote it before and named his son after Homer.
Yeah, no. So his son's named after his grandpa, and his grandpa's name's Homer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that's cute.
Yeah.
Who don't you know, Jack? Who haven't?
Yeah, I don't know. You know, so we just met. One day I'm gonna be telling this story, but like, so me and Salma, 15 years ago, before she was doing movies, we used to stream
before I became an extra.
Before she was an extra.
Before she started her own hedge fund.
I wouldn't want to be one of those people.
Live with me.
Dude, why would you not want to have your own hedge fund?
Nah.
Nope. All right, you can say it about me then.
All right, there you go.
Yeah,
Before she joined the
Tanja,
FBI.
before Tanja got super famous, before Tanja became, I'm trying to think the most successful female hedge fundy. Do you guys know? I actually am not sure.
Like Linda Rashke.
Okay, but she's like kind of like, I wouldn't really, she was only a hedgie for like a while.
Oh, so there's like a timeline.
She's a
on
famous
how long
trader.
you-
I would say she's one of the most famous female traders, but I don't feel like I know her as a hedgie. Kathy Wood is also not a hedgie.
Kathy Wood. I'm not doing that one.
Yeah. Do not, first of all,
Martha Stewart.
Tanja is way better than Kathy Woods. Yeah, Martha Stewart, maybe. No, I'm one. There's got to be one out there. Somebody find one.
I don't know any.
Kathy Woods is not she's not a hedgie. I don't even know if what her structure is actually considered a hedge fund. Is it? Either way, I just got taken out of the NASDAQ for above break even, but I'm back in the YM, just range trading here. Range trading.
Chat, what do you think will happen at 350?
Yeah, it's a
Pump or
fund.
drop? Up or down?
There is a difference between a fund and a hedge fund for sure.
Yeah.
It's an investment. It's an investment vehicle. It's an ETF. She basically runs an ETF, which is not a hedge fund. To be clear.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Levels to this.
We have to find out. We have to find out some baller female hedgie. The Hedge Journal. Okay. Oh, you know what? It says Tanja right here. Tanja.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
Exactly. Anyone else I'm eating.
Okay, who's that by? Top female.
Ryan Gosling.
Female fund managers.
Barbie.
That's Ryan Gosling?
Mm-hmm.
It's the Barbie song.
Mm-hmm.
Can't say I've seen that one.
Really? You missed my story about how big her feet was? How big her feet were?
Someone's watching Barbie.
I heard the story.
For 2 hours.
Bro, it was really bad. That's all I could
Song is
focus
good,
on.
bro. The Oscars. It was a good one. It's a good song.
There's a lot of like mutual funds. I'm trying to find like a.
You're going down this rabbit hole?
I am. I mean, they're still funds, but like, trying to find like a baddie. I mean, Linda's
what?
a baddie.
What?
A baddie. You know?
Why is he doubling down on that?
Why does
Just
Bori Kwan
crushing it.
always put me in charge of relaying questions to you guys? I'm not the messenger, my
What
friend.
the heck?
I'm not doing it.
Bari Kwon, we met him at Miami.
In Miami, yes.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Okay.
Mhm.
Bori Quant, if you want my opinion on what's going on over there, I'll tell you. I think it's a competition thing. I think it's Tom sold off what he owned. This is my speculation. This is my theory. I have no facts to base this up, but I think he sold off what he owned and then created a competing firm. And if you create a competing firm, that's going to take competition from the previous person they worked at. They don't want you working there anymore. That simple.
Mm-hmm.
That's what's going on over there, in my opinion, if I were to guess.
Chat,
All right.
don't forget, we got the 4 p.m. Discord Deli Pax Farm Trio. Only God knows what might be said and how this might go down, but you don't want to miss it. It's going to be fun. So be sure to tune in. It's right after the bell at 4 o'clock.
Wait, what's going on?
Pat's Farm Deli
Oh, in the Discord.
in the Discord. Yeah,
I'm gonna
at
be.
4.
I'm gonna join. I'm gonna join while I
I'll
walk
be
to the
there.
gym though. I'm
Hell
drinking
yeah.
Somebody said I like Stims earlier. This is called a pre-workout. It's like caffeine and whatever else they put in here to make me want to go
Attention
work
traders,
out.
it's
do
algo time.
30 flights on a Stairmaster.
Let's see if we drop into the close. Ooh, a little drop.
I think we're just gonna range back up. I'm actually
But
gonna
not
get back.
much there.
I'm gonna get back in
I
the
just
net.
closed the market. We had a great morning. I love today's price action. I hope it's like that every day.
Oh, a little drop. Ski.
Dun, 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 dun. Just a little sweep of the low. Off. You might have to verify your Discord if you're unable to like a 2FA. At least I had to create 2FA, but that might be because I'm a mod or something.
Yeah. I would just say production, if you could drop the invite link. See
For the
if,
Discord.
yeah, more people can join. You guys want to be in there? There's going to be giveaways and a lot of other stuff.
You know what they're giving away? Almond Joys.
Yo, sign me up.
Buckets of them.
Oh my gosh.
I don't even like chocolate like that, but Almond Joy definitely a top 3. Reese's is my other one.
Wild.
Yeah, top 3
Reese's
is
Pieces
that's
are great.
I'm
No,
in.
the cups.
Reese's,
The cups.
yeah. The cups. Sorry.
So good.
Reese's cups. Peanut
but
butter chocolate.
You guys ever had the
flavor.
Justins?
That was the best commercial. Justin's? No.
Justin's is kind of like the upgraded version of Reese's. That's like the new.
Oh yes, it's like the healthier.
What?
It's like the one they sell at Whole Foods.
Mhm.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
There's no wrong way to eat a Reese's.
Why does that sound like the Tootsie Pop? Hello, Owl. How many licks does it take to get to the center of the Tootsie Pop? The world may never know.
Yeah,
I
that
feel
was a
like
classic.
Tanja definitely tried counting to see how long it'd take.
I think it depends on the size of your tongue.
For sure.
She said I did.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh God. I'm not surprised.
No. Nor should you be.
You too, Jack. I feel like you might have tried that.
I've tried a lot of things.
Okay. What are we talking about here?
Don't
answer
the
that.
center that
Trading.
strategies.
Don't
The strat. Talking about strat. Trying along right here. That's what I'm trying. I need to put some socks on.
Salma, short or long? None. Neither. Oh, I want it to be 4 p.m. already.
Neither breather. I think I don't know.
Not even looking at the right side of.
I can tell you
my
what,
desk.
this Asia does not look interesting based on this close.
I hope you're wrong so I can catch a good trade.
Salma, give yourself a break. Go catch. You know what? You only got a few months of touching grass left. Go do it. This is your trade right here.
I couldn't tell you the last.
Maybe it was some reversion back to the mean of the range, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I just took.
I couldn't
Tell
tell you
me
the
that
last time
works.
I didn't trade Asia.
The last time you did
You
not
didn't trade Asia is crazy.
Yeah.
dude, it's not all that much fun. I mean, I trade it, but
I
it's
didn't
not.
say it was. I'm just saying. I traded every day, just about.
All right, I'm gonna move this target down a bit here. Give me just a final pumper dumper. A little zig-zagger.
This is crazy, actually. It's pretty interesting for the last few minutes.
There's no earnings that are closed, is there?
None that are important, I don't think.
No.
Salma, do you stream Asia? Someone's asking.
No, hell no.
No?
No, it's too slow. And if I streamed Asia, it would be like the least serious stream ever.
You'd be
I'd
doing your
be-
nails, eating.
Yeah, like
ASMR,
I'd have to do
ASMR,
other stuff.
ASMR almond joy.
Maybe.
Maybe. Watch your YouTube channel
Maybe.
blow up.
Can you imagine? I just hit 1,900 subscribers. Let's go.
You basically got the whole world watching.
Let's go. We're growing.
We're growing.
Jim.
Hey guys,
Hi.
Hey, Jim.
Jack's still busy. What do you got cooking, Jack?
Just a couple mud pies. Not much. It's just, I mean, I'm just took trades at the bottom of these ranges, kind of expecting us to revert here into the last 15 minutes because we haven't been doing anything. I had gotten long YMs, took them out, took 2/3 off at highs, got back in. And then same thing with the NQ, except I never took it off. I just kind of stopped out break even, just above break even, a couple ticks, and then just bought bottom range because that's all we've been here is a range here into the end of the day. So I'm just looking for hopefully a little sweep up, maybe a little green, and then close it in the last 10 minutes past post close, probably.
I got it. Holding it on past the bell. Awesome. I love it. Advantage goes to futures, by the way, folks, if you're listening. Tanja, how about you? Are you in a position?
I'm not in anything right now. No, I mean, last hour was pretty boring here.
Yeah.
We kind of just I marked out areas where we were rejecting and bouncing from, and I think that it doesn't really matter for me what happens between today and the end of today and then tomorrow. It's a pretty boring range here in the afternoon. Summer trading at its finest.
Got it. And Salma, how about you?
I caught a whopping 4 points on ES today, Jim.
Yeah, baby.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
No, seriously though, very boring afternoon. I thought we'd get higher. ES really struggled at that previous week low and just couldn't do it. So closed out that trade after holding it for whatever, hour and a half.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate you guys being here on NinjaTrader Live. Great job today, as usual. Let's give these three a round of applause, please. Don't forget, immediately following this, the bell is going to ring. We're all going to leap into Discord. We have Deli is going to be in there with farm and packs. Giveaways are happening, taking Q&As. It's going to be awesome. I can't wait. That's in 1 minute and 30 seconds, by the way. So hopefully we'll see you there. Tomorrow, real quickly here, we have Dan Ruse, who's Vol Signals. He's going to be actually on the early morning panel with me, Shai, and Craig. Luke Groman is going to be our special guest for the Morning Gap. Farm for Tape Talk. Jack's coming back to trade the open with Stowe. That'll be awesome.
Oh.
And you don't do that every Thursday, do you?
You know, I used to, but they got me on every other now.
Oh, okay. Awesome. I'm looking forward to that. Salma's coming back midday markets with Nick. Then we're going to take a little bit of a break. Then we'll get into trade the close with Leo, Christian, and XYZ. And then remember, tomorrow, when the bell rings again, another special event. We're working hard for you. 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Sarah Strass Sniper is going to be with us for a very special Develop Your Edge, identifying and trading reversals like a pro. Looking forward to that. Bring your questions to that also. So big day tomorrow as well. As well as a big day today. Sorry if I was too fast, but I mean, when that bell rings, we're out of here. We're going into Discord. We cannot miss a moment of that.
All right.
All right.
See you guys there.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys. Appreciate you as usual. Remember, most important message of the day, if you can't make it in Discord, even if you can, please be safe out there. Be good to each other. Thanks for being here. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, chat.
Targets hitting.
There we go.
Look at that.